this little drill came. Packaged, well packaged, cute little case, y'all. I'm already feeling like a strong single black female. I don't need to hire. Okay, I did hire a lawnman, but I bought a lawnmower with intentions. But I refuse not to do this. I'm going out and pruning, or try to prune my trees. I'm going to try it. I feel like I can do it, especially with this little chainsaw. I didn't want to use the heavy cutters that I feel like that would hurt my hand. And when I saw this little Tamai chainsaw, affordable, on Amazon, of course I'm going to put the link. But y'all look, this is what all came packaged in this little case. I like little cases. I got a little girl drill set case. I'm working on being a functional homeowner that can take care of her own things. I'm getting there. But you get an instructive booklet. It walks you through how to put it together, how to start to use it. You get some gloves so that you don't hurt your hand. And the drill also has a shield on it. You get an extra chainsaw. I mean, you know, what do you call it? The chain, I guess the chain, it looks like a chain that's on a bike, except for it has the little blades to cut with. You get some safety glasses. You get a little, what is it, for putting oil on, to oil the blades when they get dry. I got to figure out what oil to get for that, but I don't need to use it yet. I don't know what this little screwdriver for, but I'm sure it's for tightening up something or probably changing the blades. I hadn't read the whole instruction booklet yet. And you get a little tool for taking I know what that's for. You put it on the side to take the blades off. And then there is my little girl mama chainsaw. I'm pretty sure it could be for a guy too. But in my view, men probably would have a huge chainsaw except for smaller jobs. But this little baby here is going to be my everything. My everything. It also comes with 2 batteries. Unlike my drill, it only came with 1. This one has 2 batteries, and you just plug it up into the wall and let them charge. I charge them both at the same time because if one die, I don't know how quick it'll die. The other one will be ready to go. So I feel like I can do this. I want to take you guys out here with me, but I don't want to be embarrassed because I'm going to post it anyway, regardless of how it comes out. I'm supposed to be pruning. I don't want to take too much off the little bushes, but I didn't do it last winter and they were tall this year. So yeah, let's just get into this video and let you guys see what's going on. I'm doing this. I am doing this, and let me tell you why I want to be cute doing it. I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. Somebody might ride by and be like, "Oh, ma'am, do you need some help? You look like you need," and they go ahead on and do it for me. That's my hope, but I ain't want to be, you know, looking rough out there struggling. But yeah, this is my little chainsaw. Matter of fact, let me go ahead on and put my glasses on now so I can protect my already bad vision. I don't want no. I know that was kind of short. I don't want no mishaps. So I'm gonna put my little eye protection on right now. Do I look like I'm ready, y'all? Am I nervous? A little bit. A little bit. But yeah, this is the same thing I just showed y'all in the unboxing. And I did go ahead and read the manual. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my gloves on. I got both of my batteries charged up and ready to go. Are y'all nervous with me? I ain't real nervous, just a little bit. Just a little bit. And I'm ready. It's look at that. And this is the little, you know, thing that'll protect you from cutting your hand. Of course, you don't want to stick your hand there. And you just turn it on. See, I'm going bad already. I'm trying to turn it on without the battery. And let me put the battery on. Okay, the battery just slides on like that. You got it? And then you have to push this button here. Oh, this thing here. That's where that other little tool goes. I read that in the book. And that's for changing the blades. This this little tool, yeah, it'll fit right there. And you can take that off to change the chainsaw blade, because they gave you an extra one. They pretty much gave you everything you needed except for the oil. So, see if I can get it to come on. I ain't scared. I ain't scared. I ain't scared. I done made my mind. I'm finna do this. I'm finna do this. So, I can do this. Let's go. Yeah, my yard is covered in beautiful little trees and bushes that look nice in the summertime, but they get too bushy. So I've never pruned, but I'm gonna prune. I just want you guys to get a kind of glimpse of what it looks like, so I can just show you, if you know, what I'm working with. I got this super long tree that's coming from the field in the backyard, and it's this bush right here is hanging on my already need to be replaced with fence. So I want to see if this will cut this thicker bush off my fence. So let's give it a see. What? Hey, dirt. Okay, guys, the little drill is amazing. It's amazing. I did so much. I want to prune the rose bushes, but I don't want to get stuck. I got one right in front of me and two behind me. I don't want to get stuck, and I don't want to make them look funny for the next year. So I might skip out on that. But if anybody found this video helpful or might need one of these little babies, Amazon, y'all. You know, not everybody, you know, got these husbands and stuff. Even when I was married, my husband wouldn't have been out here doing nothing, y'all. I still would have ended up hiring somebody because he didn't do that kind of work. But yeah, these things are amazing, and the battery's still strong. So I'm finna get out of here because it looks like it's gonna rain, and I'm glad I came out here and did this now. Okay, bye guys. Talk to you later. Stay blessed.